In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Steam pausing downloads. If your game downloads keep stopping, slowing to a crawl, or bouncing between start and stop, follow along and we'll walk through reliable fixes that address the most common causes. Begin by fully closing Steam. Don't just close the main window, make sure you exit it from the system tray so the app is completely shut down. On Windows, that's the small icon area near the clock. Click the Steam icon and choose Exit. This clears up temporary hiccups and lets Steam restart clean. Once it's closed, reopen Steam and try starting the download again to see if the pause behavior goes away. If the issue persists, run Steam as an administrator. Close Steam, then right-click the Steam shortcut and choose Run as Administrator. This ensures Steam has full permission to write to your drive and update files. Start your download again and watch for pauses. If permissions were the problem, the download should now proceed normally. Next, adjust your download settings. Go to Steam, open Settings, then Downloads. Select a different download region that's geographically close to you, but not necessarily the default. Sometimes a nearby server is congested, and switching can restore a steady download. On the same page, turn off Limit Download Speed so Steam can use your available bandwidth without an artificial cap. If you still see stuttering, clear the Steam download cache. In Settings, under Downloads, click Clear Download Cache and confirm. Steam will restart and ask you to log back in. This removes corrupted or stuck cache data that often causes start-stop behavior. After signing in, restart the download and check whether it now holds a consistent speed. Also verify your storage. Make sure the drive that holds your Steam library has enough free space and isn't nearly full. Low space or a busy drive can cause intermittent pauses while Steam tries to write files. If the drive is under heavy load or showing signs of trouble, move the game to another library folder or a different drive and retry the download. Finally, if multiple downloads are misbehaving, open Settings, go to Storage, and use Repair Library folder on the affected library. This refreshes folder permissions and structure so Steam can read and write properly. Work through these steps in order, and in most cases your downloads will stop pausing and finish smoothly. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like these.